Good morning, everyone. Today we have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Just arrived in the Korea. This is a deboxing video. I have a look what's inside the box and just the first impressions. So we have some. And then you have the iPhone. And some paperwork. So as you can see, this is the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. The feel of the box, it feels recycled. So the material the box made of, it feels like recycled materials, which aligns with what Apple said in their conference. They're gonna meet the zero carbon emissions by 2023. Well, let's open the box. Top, bottom, just slide it. And it's just like that. What's inside the box? You will have iPhone 15 Pro Max, USB-C cable. For the first time, they include a USB-C cable, and the cable over here is not plastic, so it's made of fabric. It's made in front, and just the usual paperwork, potential Apple sticker in there. So that's the new iPhone. Very satisfactory. Titanium. So they said it will be brush finish on the sides, but you can't actually see its brush as per the photos. It's nearly smooth. Matte finish at the back. It's kind of similar to iPhone 12 Pro Max. These ones, they stick out more than usual. The cameras, they stick out more than usual. And you can see this is the new action button. Alright, so alright, let's turn it on and see how it feels. It feels good in the hand, so for some reason it feels just fits the hand. Usually all iPhones. Let's turn it on. You can see your Apple logo. Hello. Just select the country as usual. If you're living in a country starts with A, it'll be easy for you. If you're living in Zimbabwe, you have to scroll all the way down. And it will ask you to select the appearance if you want it to be large, medium, or default as is, and then you will just set it up. You can see over here it's the new dynamic island where it's going to be active, and yeah, just like any other iPhone, new iPhone, or same old. So once I opened it, it asked me to update the software if I want to move my old stuff from my the old iPhone to the new iPhone. So this is iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you can see, this one, it looks a bit smaller. iPhone 15 Pro Max looks a bit smaller, and of course it looks way lighter, so it's nearly half the weight of iPhone 12 Pro Max. Only one thing I noticed is when you put them side by side, this one, the cameras, the iPhone 15 Pro Max cameras, they stick out way more than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. They both stick out, but the 15 Pro Max way more. Alright, so what I have here, I have iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can see this one is nearly flat on the desk. This one is sticking out a little bit. It rocks when it rocks on one side, and this iPhone 15 Pro Max, it sticks a lot. So there's around like a few millimeters underneath it. And that's the evolution of iPhone cameras. So you can see this one's nearly flat, this one's sticking out by a few millimeters, this one around 5 millimeters. I'm sure they will find a solution for it. You're not gonna spend that much money on an iPhone and then just don't put it in a case. So I'm sure there will be a solution for this one. If you have a case from the old iPhone, so let's say iPhone 13 or 12, or usually they fit in the same case, while this one, the new iPhone, it doesn't. So that will force you to buy a new case. As you can see, the area for the cameras, it went bigger, so it doesn't fit in the cut. So you will need to buy a new case. Add that to your cost.